are playing by
in the sand.
This lake. Well, like the ocean. Well, I don't think it's the ocean. The main lake is over there, but there's this kind of smaller lake, and it doesn't really get very deep, so it's perfect for wading. And the temperature is really good too. If you pan down here, Dad. Okay, so look. This color of sand, it's more of a lighter brown. And this color of sand is more of a gray. And if you compare them, this color and this color, they're actually quite different. Yeah, look at all these different colors. Brown, white, gray, red.
Yeah, look at the colors.
The shore is rockier over here.
Yeah, we could probably wash our feet. I used to be spigot. So many colors of rocks, see? Gray and red and yellow and orange.
This needs to be under. Put it under. Yep. Okay. Now push it down toward my hand.
Mom is currently roasting some sausage, but she's roasting two because Dad is filming.
So guess what it says? If you get your hand stamped to the top, then you can ride unlimited rides all day!
Up in all these coats because we saw on the sign that it was 40 degrees at the top, 40 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's cold, but it's going to be really fun, and we're going to go up to the top and hike around and eat at the Summit restaurant.
Not how I thought.
It reminds me of a ski lift.
Well, we're going faster than I thought we would be going.
I thought we would be going a little
We're going faster than we thought, but I think it'll be more fun for it to go even faster.
Yeah. See, this is
just
what it looks
doing.
like.
Oh, it has no glitter wedge wheel.
I think it's pretty smart they put the open window over on the outside so that way people wouldn't reach out and touch the pole and mess it up.
Oh, so they wouldn't touch the other car if it's passing.
Don't touch the cable either.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, you get that.
So that's probably they did that on purpose.
Yeah, it's the funniest one yet. And their counterweight.
What the heck? What is
Like I've seen their counterweights go out. That one's kind of potted. Ooh, here's the big one.
Look, feel your hand out the window. It is getting colder.
On your car.
until the ground?
It's a good thing they've safety tested these trams like a billion times.
I hope so.
Of course. Yeah. Imagine what would happen if one of the cables that your car was on broke and you were about to head into it, like you're fine. Oh no, there's the broken cable. Smash. And then your car, and it wouldn't even stay in the same place so you could get up and hike the rest of the way. It would roll down because of how steep it is.
Oh, don't even talk about that. It's scary.
Brad for
If you hear a siren, return to the terminal immediately. Sounds like a plan.
So this is the overlook, royal purple overlook, and it's really beautiful. So
It's got like mountains and trees. It's really nice.
So sun is broken. I'm trying to get, and so it's supposed to stay up, and it won't stop losing, but I'm fixing it like with. Well, oh, it fell.
Okay, so I'm gonna eat this pepper that came with my burger, and I really hope that it's not spicy. And Dad says that due to the change in elevation, because they're really high, it sort of explodes when I do it. I guess sounds cool, but I really, really hope it's not spicy.
So I'm listening to see if I can hear like an explosion or something, or if her mouth blows off or something. I don't know.
Well, I just hope it's not spicy. Okay, you ready? Here we go.
Okay, I'm gonna get up.
Yeah, we will.
Look, that's spicy.
Well, did it explode?
No, it's just really spicy.
I think it exploded with spiciness.
This is much more fun than going up. Ooh, get ready. So you can really see what we do. So they've got ladders, so if they need to climb and fix them, then you can't. That'd be really scary to climb.
Yeah, I would not want the job to do
Like
it.
some ladders that are really up high, you know, like they've got like a cage around them, so that you can't fall. Well, you still could fall, of course, but.
Oh, hi. Wait, I don't even see Mom's tram car. Probably hasn't even started yet.
You already know if the Earth is really big, but when you see the view like this, it really puts it into perspective, and it makes you feel so tiny. It makes me feel tiny when I see this huge view.
Definitely.
Yeah. Tramway. Yeah, I got on the way back. That's the first time I got one on the way back. Usually they don't even see me.